Okay, so these wheels I will build them for a gravel bike. They are based on Chinese brand, but they were made by CarbonBeam company, and they are specific for gravel. I looked at the wheels, they seem to be done very well. There's no visible voids from the outside. I don't have any tools to make the scan, but they seem really strong. This is the serial number of the wheels of the rim. So they are 30 millimeters wide externally and 24 mils internally. The height of the rim is 35. So the sizing is very good. I also measured the radius. It's made very well. They are not hookless. They have the standard bed, and I will make the tubeless setup with the wheels. For the tubeless tires, I will use the Tufo Speedero model. Again, it is a very well made tire. From my experience, this is much better quality than, for example, Continental. The compound is really nice. They are soft, so very grippy and fast as well. So I will use those as 40 mils. Weight of the tire is 414 grams, and the rim is 410. There's also a lighter version, but I didn't want to experiment with lighter one. Yeah, for the sealant, I'm always using Stance. I will use also Sapim spokes, traditional one, J-bends, not straight pull, and brass nipples. And for the hubs, I will use also made in China brand. This is ARC. This is model MT007, and they are designed for mountain bike, but I find that for gravel use they are perfect. So this is the hub. They are pretty loud. The weight of the rear hub is 230 grams, and the front one, it weighs around 280, so it's pretty nice. And they are also very well greased. So out of the factory they come in a good condition here. So as you can see, this is not the ratchet, but in this price tag I would not expect to have it. The bearings are no name here, but here I see that this is model 5201 and this is 2RS, so it's sealed. Just one disadvantage of the hub is that this is not, there's no cover here, so the bearing is visible from the outside and the water can come here. But I've been using those hubs for 1 year, and there was not a problem with it, so I'm very happy with them. That's why I decided to take it. They are very cheap, to be honest, and the advantage of this newest version is that you can, by swapping the end caps, you can use them for the full axle, and you can use them as well for the quick release. And I will be using the quick release with those titanium quick releases. So yeah, overall I'm expecting the wheels to be around 750 grams. So for a gravel, I think it will be pretty acceptable goal. So let's see how the wheels will look like. Okay, so the building is complete. There was no problems with setting up the tubeless as well, but to be honest, I didn't expect any issues due to the quality of the components. Wheel looks like that, and a small sound check. So it's pretty loud, pretty loud. And to compare it, maybe it will be worth to show my previous wheel. It was also built on the ARC hubs, but on the previous model, a little bit different. So here this is not so loud as my current one, but probably it's due to the distance that I make this wheel. I was using it for 1 year exactly. It's roughly 3,000 kilometers. Maybe let's check the quality of the bearings, how they are, because I didn't take a look at it inside. It's a little bit different construction than the current version of my hubs. It's a little bit more complex. Yeah, it's dirty for sure, but it's really nicely greased, and it needs service for sure, but there's no problem. They are very smooth, the bearings are very smooth. So yeah, it looks very nice. So the sealing is all right. There are some marks on the shell body, but this is normal for Shimano, this type of AG hub. So also it is aluminum. So yeah, overall I'm very happy with those wheels. They will be used more in another bike. So yeah, overall quality item from ARC. Okay, so what's left is to complete the wheels, put the cassette, put the discs, adjust the brakes. Yeah, and let's see how they work in reality. Okay, just a quick sound check. And this is the end result. I think it's pretty decent. I have to do some more stress load on them, check the spokes, but the wheels are rotating really nicely. I'm very happy with it.